everybody, how y'all doing today? It's your girl Shantea. From Be Love I.N.C. How y'all doing, family, today? One of our lovely BEEHIVE family member, how you doing? She had a particular question about how I did a particular move in our worship flag tutorial. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna leave a card right there so you can check it out, okay? And the move that she was talking about was when I was just going up and down, up and down. So I'm gonna take it slow, and I'm gonna show you how to do that move with my flags, y'all. It's going down. But wait. Let me not forget, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to follow us on all of our social media platforms, like, comment, and subscribe, and turn the notification bell on. Hit it, and hit it, and hit it, because we post every Monday, live stream every Thursday. Wait. And let me not forget, we are live streaming every day, y'all, every day. We are live streaming every day on this channel. Daily Bible reading. Keeping our word to the word, okay? Every day at 8 a.m. So check it out. Come with us so you can get your daily dose of feeding on God's word. So now, let's get to the tutorial. So I'm gonna call this move the over the head figure 8, okay? And so let me show you how to do it without the flag, and then I'm gonna show you with the flag. Because again, we're taking it slow. So let me show y'all. So the way you're gonna go, we're gonna go from the right hand first. We're gonna go up, and then go in, and then come down. Up, come your arm in, and then we're gonna come around, and then down. Then we're gonna do the left arm. Up, in, come in, go around, then down. Come on, y'all. Up, then in, and around, then down. Let's go now. Up, and in, and around, and down. Up, in, down. Up, in, down. Now, let's do it with the flags. And we're gonna just do one flag at a time. So all go in and around, down. Come on, y'all. Up, in, around, down. Ready? One more time. Up and in and around, then down. Now remember, we're gonna do the same move, and we're just gonna do them both at the same time. So over the head, over the head. Same moves. Up, figure 8. It's gonna go around, down, up, over, round, down. Figure 8. Right hand, left hand, 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 right. Come on, y'all. One more, y'all. And then once you do that, you switch it up. Switch it up. You switch it up. Switch it up. Go faster and faster. Do variations. Variations. Variation. Switch it up. Switch it up, y'all. Once you learn that move, you can do all the other moves. And I love it. That move is pretty much like the basics. I pray this video helped. I pray this tutorial. I took it slow. I took my time. Because, you know, I could go fast. But I love that move because, again, you go up, down. And then once you do that, keep practicing. Practice. Keep looking in the mirror. Do it out the mirror. And take your time. And remember, up, over, in. Up, over, in. So remember who you worshiping. You're worshiping the Lord of Lords, the King of Kings, our Lord and Savior, who deserves all the praise. So have fun, be loose, be free. For who the Son set free is free indeed. And if you don't know, now you know. Be Love loves you, but who loves you more? Jesus. And don't you forget it. And we're gonna see ya on the next video. Bye.